All right, looks like we got 4 robots on the field. We'll go ahead and start our introductions. On the Blue Alliance side, we have Team 20704, Ramming Speed. On the Blue Alliance, we also have Team 2835, Midwest Division Toretto's crew. And on the Red Alliance, we have Team 15400, the Jackson Hole Robots. Also on the Red Alliance, we have Team 2836, Trobots. All right, as soon as we get the thumbs up from both our Red and Blue Alliances, we'll be good to start this match. In 3, 2, 1. All right, Red Alliance moving one of their robots into the observation zone, gaining in points for parking. Blue Alliance doing the same, possibly a little bit later, not quite sure. 15 seconds left in the time of this period. The scores are even, 3, 2, 3. It's literally anyone's game at the start of this teleop period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And the robots roar to life with their start of the teleoperated period. Looks like we've got some coordination between team players and drivers, telling them where to go. Got Team 20704, Ramming Speed, going to move some of their Alliance-specific samples that start on the field into their observation zone. Looks like they may have no, they look back. Got the other member of the Blue Alliance carrying their Alliance neutral samples into the next zone here. Looks like we've got the Jackson Hole Robots looking to put samples in the high baskets. Alliance neutral samples, they may have started preloaded with that one. This might be the first one I've seen that team pick up ever. With 30 seconds left on the clock until that game, we've got teams going to put points in their observation zone, in their nets, in their baskets, up high. 15 seconds till that game. 10 seconds till that game. Can Blue come back? They're 10 points behind. We'll see. Oh, looks like one low sample. And that whistle means it's end game. 20704 didn't lose their lost the special on the second run back through the robot. Looks like we got one Blue Alliance robot parts. 2 Blue Alliance for last part with 6 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have a Red Alliance victory, 27-15 points.